Hey guys, Brad here, dadanbrad Adventures. Today, Saturday, November 11th, I believe. Out here at the sawmill down here, saw shed down there. You guys have already seen a year in review video. That'll be the video before this one. You've watched the finish up the sawmill and get all that stuff out of the saw shed, get that all dialed in. Today we're milling some pine. We got a custom job that came in for a 20 by 16 building. We're gonna do 4x4 post frame with some 2x4s, some 4x4s, and some 1-inch siding. He's gonna put a metal roof on it, so it's gonna turn out pretty decent. Anyway, I'll get you spun around here and I'll show you what we got going on here. Thanks for joining us, guys. Okay, guys, here we are. We got one on the mill, 2, 4, 6, 5 more on the thing there, and just beyond that trailer, got another stack of, got some pine in there, got some western cedar in there. He's going to use that western cedar for it's a telephone pole, but he's going to use it for a footer board and a header board. And then this is about half of what he's got. Most of these were harvested off of his own property there. Get these milled up, get his chicken coop built for him, or solid for him anyway. He's gonna build it himself. But we poured the concrete yesterday. I didn't I didn't film any of that. It was quick 5 yards. We already had it formed up from, I don't know, several weeks ago. We got it formed up. Then the weather really wasn't cooperating with us. And I don't know where my, oh, there it is. My other tripod went. It's right here. Dad has been out here just going ham on sharpening up all these blades. You guys will see this in the year in review video, but how cool is this? Got our chainsaw sharpener here, got our bandsaw sharpener there, got our blade setter there. This we didn't feature, which I'm gonna go back and redo that, but this is an old, I don't know what it is. Dad got it somewhere. We'll explain that in the last video, but got it all set up to get the pitch off the blades and stuff like that. The chainsaw tore apart, killed the blade on that, or the chain on that, ran it ragged. But anyway, guys, how awesome is that? I will get you set up here and we'll record a couple of these logs. We're gonna, first and foremost, we're gonna get as many 4x4s as we can. I think we need 18 of them, 7 to 8 feet long. And then beyond that, we're gonna focus on the 4x4s. What we can't get out in 4x4s, we're gonna cut 2x4s into, and then what we can't get out of 2x4s, we're gonna slap into 1-inch siding. And his siding is going to be identical to the siding that we put on the saw shed here, the board and batten siding. So it's going to work out pretty decent. Anyway, guys, we'll get you set up and we'll get some sawing done here. I got to tighten the blade. There we go. Kind of set you back here where you can see the whole, maybe see the whole process. Anyway, they're going to go right off the mill, and our finished lumber is going to go right onto his trailer, so we don't have to mess with it. Just cut and stack, get it taken care of. But get you set up here to where we can see here the whole thing, and we'll move you around a couple of different times. This is just pine, so we're going to take it right off. The offcuts, we take it right off, put it right on a trailer, and we're going to get rid of that. We don't like burning pine in the houses, and it's not very good to do anything else with, so that's what we're going to do. All right, guys, we got to set the tension on the blade. We got to get it warmed up. Then we'll start sawing. Thanks for joining us, guys. Thanks for joining the adventure.
with this sharpen. Why we have it. Man, I forgot all about that.
How did you already pay attention?
I thought we was back on these things, but that was the one before. Yep. Oops. If I order everything from that place in Canada, the mounts and the,
For what? What are we talking about?
lasers. If I order the mounts, the lasers, and the power supply, from everything from them,
Here.
shipping's $280.
You got a resaw? I'm not putting a brand new blade on here.
Well, you know what? Other than knocking the set out of that, I don't think that's too bad. I'll put this in there to sharpen next to find out.
Somehow Mark it know that we almost trashed it or did trash it.
Yeah, I'm gonna write metal on it. Hey, what are you doing in here, chick? Got a chicken in here.
Oh, yeah. Good.
Yeah, them lasers get fastened out on here and
Where's that?
the way Sandy done his new ones, he fastened right onto these. So I imagine they go back pretty daggone close to the same spot or something.
Well, can't pass that one off on the customer. That was all us.
It's hard on my knees walking sideways like that.
I'll get it then.
Maybe if I get new ones, it won't be a problem.
Be out of business for a little bit. sidewalls are only gonna be 7 foot, so we'll cut the majority of this kerf off of most of them. Okay guys, that's what we've got so far. Like I said, we've got that pile back here to cut up. Got a couple more, 2 down there and 2 up there and 1 there. We're gonna keep cutting. Guys got almost 2 hours of footage here. You get the idea. We get done with today, we'll show you what we got accomplished.